Hello and welcome back. I had a couple people ask me to do a video hauling with the dump truck, and I sold two front end loaders that I have to transport to the buyers. So today I'm gonna do that. I gotta get the dump truck in the shop and just check a few things and make sure it's good to go, and then we'll get hooked up to the trailer and get these things moved. Oh no, that's not good. Can you guys see that? That's better. One must be very careful. These are known to cause depression and suppress the joys that are around us every day. This is the first one I have to move. Got a 5.9 Cummins. One thing to keep in mind if you're ever looking to buy a front end loader, it's really nice to get one with the cab on the back half of the pivot point, where the cab and the engine are all together. Because when you're backing up like this, you don't always know where the back half of your loader is if your cab's on the front half, and it's just much more convenient to have the cab on the back half. But most of the newer machines are that way. I'm gonna put all of the video clips of driving dump truck at the end of the video, because I know there was a handful of people that wanted to see that, but I know everybody doesn't want to watch that, so I'll just put all that at the end. But anyways, I don't expect you to want to watch everything. Now you might think this trailer looks a little light duty to be hauling a front end loader like this. This has got the short quad axles under it. I'll get a picture up here in a minute. But only weighs about 5,500 pounds, but it's a 12-ton trailer. So it's kind of a nice balance because I can pull it with my pickup trucks because it's not too heavy, electric brakes, yet it's still heavy duty enough where I can put decent sized stuff on it. This loader here is the next one I had to haul, and the transmission's bad in it. So I had to walk it out to the trailer like this. I sped this up quite a bit. That took a while, but I was just thankful it worked. And then after I got it out to the trailer, I used the bucket to curl with a chain hooked onto it. And then after I'd pulled it up a little bit, I ran a chain back to the front axle to hold it, to reset my chain. Doing it by yourself and with all the chains and such, it's a little sketchy. I don't recommend it, but I just put on a safety jacket, and that made everything safe. Well, I got this loaded up, so I'm gonna go drop this off, and the rest of the video is just the truck driving.